In this video, we will cover the applications of the PySpark. There are a number of PySpark applications and it's not possible to cover all of them in one video, so I tried my best to incorporate the most in-demand application. The first one is the application in streaming data. So Apache Spark key use case is its ability to process streaming data. With so much data being processed on a daily basis, it has become essential for companies to be able to stream and analyze it all in real time. And Spark Streaming has the capacity to handle this extra load. The next major application of PySpark is machine learning. So Spark comes with an integrated framework for performing advanced analytics that helps users run repeated queries on sets of data, which essentially amounts to processing machine learning algorithms. Among the components found in the frameworks in Spark, Scalable Machine Learning Lib, which is MLlib, the MLlib can work in areas such as clustering, classification, and dimensionality reduction, among many others. All these enable Spark to be used for some very common big data functions like predictive intelligence, customer segmentation for marketing purposes, and sentiment analysis. The next point is batch data analysis. So Spark is not limited to only analyze real-time or streaming data. Spark also supports batch data analysis. Spark can read the data from different file storage systems like Hadoop and different data sources like SQL databases, NoSQL databases, social media platforms, point of sales, and many more, and perform analysis on it. Next application of Spark is its capacity to perform ETL, which is extracting the data from any source, performing transformations on the data, and loading the data to any target. This is usually used for migrating the data from one storage to another. Next implementation of Spark is full load and replication ongoing. Using Spark, we can achieve full load, which is to extract the complete data from a data source and land it into some other data destination. And also using Spark, we can achieve replication ongoing, which is looking for the changes in the source and replicate only those particular changes in the destination. So after getting the full data or full load from a data source using Spark, we can also look for the changes taking place in the source and replicate or compensate only those in the target. So these are some of the most prominent or most commonly applications of Spark, and as I just mentioned, it's not practical for me to cover all the applications in this video, but every other application comes inside these major applications. So I hope that you develop the understanding. I will see you in the next video.